Hello friends, in tutorial 4 I show you how you can divide a line such as line AB. First we have to create a line here, point B. Let's create it. Okay, I change color to red. Yes, then I need a ruler. Extend the ruler. Okay, now you have to choose an angle which is easily we can divide it. So bring to the end of the line. For example, I want to divide the line to 4 equal parts. So I have to create a line as the line with equal divisions or easily to divide this line with the angle. So I create with the 7, the length to the 7. It's almost, it will be more accurate if you be close to angle 45. And I divide it to 4 parts, and each part, the length of each part is 1.75 inch. Draw another line with green color. Yes. Now very good. And I need another color. It is better, red color. That's 1 inch, 1.75. Here, a point, okay. And from here, 1.75, 1.25, and other 0.5, it will be 1.75. That is 1.5, 1.75, it is good. What's more we need? Make angle 90. Yes. Make thickness is 1. It will be more accurate. Yes, you see it goes through the point, so just draw this one. Good. That's good. 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 Now if we check the length, 1 point, it's almost 1.5 inch. No, yes, 1.5 inch. Little less, a little shorter than 1.5. Same as you see. The same length. Good. That is the method of dividing a line to equal parts. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.